Tired of your phone dying midday? Meet the Anker PowerCore 20,000 mAh portable charger, your ultimate solution to never running out of battery again. This isn't just any power bank. It's a game changer for anyone on the go, offering unmatched reliability and power. With an incredible 20,000 mAh capacity, this device can charge your iPhone 6 times over, or fully power multiple devices on long trips. What truly sets it apart is Anker's exclusive PowerIQ technology, intelligently identifying your device for the fastest, safest charge possible. Forget slow charging. PowerIQ ensures your gadgets are ready to go in record time, protecting them from overcharging too. Plus, with dual USB ports, you can conveniently charge 2 phones or a tablet and a phone simultaneously, perfect for sharing or powering all your tech. This top-rated Anker power bank is built for durability and reliability, making it the best portable charger investment for 2025. If you're looking to buy a powerful, smart, and dependable charging solution, the Anker PowerCore 20,000 mAh is simply unmatched. Ready to experience true charging freedom? Grab yours today via the Amazon link in the description below. We highly recommend the Anker PowerCore 20,000 mAh for anyone needing reliable power on the move. It's a must-have electronic accessory